Salvete omnes. Let's continue with the Aeneid, Book 4. Nocte volat caeli medio terraeque per umbram stridens, nec doci declinat lumina somno, luce sedet custos aut sumi culmine tecti doribus altis et magnas territat urbes, tam ficta pravique tenax quam nuntia veri. She flies at night in the middle of heaven and earth through the shadow, shrieking, and she does not let down the lights for sweet sleep. As a guard, she sits in the light, or either on a peak of the highest roof or in lofty towers, and she terrifies the great cities. So persistent of depraved fact as she is a messenger of truth. This last line is a little strange. It's a convoluted way of saying she spreads fact and fiction equally. She is saying these distorted, these depraved fictions the same as she is a messenger of the truth. So this is just a continuation of the description of rumor. It starts off with a description of her flying in the night between heaven and earth, kind of like a bat, and she goes through the shadows, shrieking, and she does not let down the lights for sweet sleep, meaning she's always watching, she's always working. And in the daytime, she sits as a guard in the light. And it's not more of a guard, it's more of a watchman. She sits in the light to watch everything that happens. She needs to find the rumors that she needs to spread, either on the peak of the highest roof or in lofty towers, ablatives of place where. And she terrifies the great cities. So this is just a description of rumor. As I said, it's saying what she does to acquire her rumors and then how she spreads them.